Sony is no stranger to launch PlayStation 4 custom editing consoles to celebrate the release of great games, but sometimes they can be downright horrible. But this Red PS4 Pro, available as part of a Spider-Man package on September 7, will definitely appeal to players who love their comics. It is red. It's vibrant. Sony calls it Amazing Red, according to the box. There is a huge Spider-Man logo stamped on top. What else do you want? The included driver adapts perfectly to the color scheme of the console too. White buttons? Somehow it works. I'm not sure if the top of the console is shiny or not. In any case, advance orders for the limited edition Spider-Man PS4 Pro package start immediately for $399. If you've been holding back from upgrading your normal PS4 to the more powerful Pro device, maybe the highly anticipated Insomniac game combo and unique design will get you there. Spider-Man nails the appearance of being the Marvel superhero. Come on September 7, you can discover if the rest of the game fulfills its potential.